In this video, I'll show you how to buy Coursera Plus. First, open the Coursera website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, we've already covered the registration process in another video, so check that out first. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on the last option, which is Get Coursera Plus. This will take you to the Coursera Plus subscription page. On this page, scroll down and you'll see the different subscription plans available. Coursera offers two payment options. You can subscribe to a monthly plan for $59 per month, or choose the annual plan. If you do the math, the annual plan is much more affordable, saving you over $300 compared to paying monthly for 12 months. You'll see more details about the benefits of Coursera Plus. With this subscription, you gain access to more than 10,000 courses and specializations from over 170 top universities and companies, including Google, Yale, and IBM. Coursera Plus also allows you to earn certificates for the courses you complete. If you're ready to subscribe, click on the Start Free Trial button. You'll need to fill in some basic information, starting with your full name and country. After that, select your payment method. You can either use a debit or credit card or pay through PayPal. If you choose the monthly plan, you'll get a 7-day free trial before being charged. This allows you to explore Coursera Plus and decide if it's right for you. After entering your payment details, click on Start Free Trial or Subscribe Now, depending on your chosen plan. Once the payment is processed, you'll see a confirmation message that says you've successfully subscribed to Coursera Plus.